Welcome back, guys. This is Lord Augustus here. Today I am doing a video basically on how to maximize your prestige badges from the soldier packages by killing monsters. As you know, these new packages from killing monsters, the event that is going on, Vagrant event, this gives you prestige badges from killing monsters. So today I'm gonna tell you how to maximize those badges, how to get as many badges as possible. Let's go and check it out. I have 221 packages, so I'll be opening them. I'll be showing you something and I'll be telling you how to maximize your badge count. First of all, I'll show you how much badge I have. I have 642 badges, so let's go and open those. Just hold on a moment, I want to see how much experience I have. See, I have 20k into 146 and those 500k into 93 wood and 500k into 86 those food. So I'll open those badges, open those packages now, and I'll show you something what I get from them. I'll be opening all the 221. So here you can see I got 40 steel into 28, excellent material chest into 76, 50k food into 14, 10k food into 207, and 1500 steel into 49, ordinary material chest into 32, prestige badge into 20, farm boost into 26, wounded recovery into 47, 20,000 experience into 34, 30,000 wood 70, 5 minutes speed up 28, 500 XP 26, sawmill boost, see 500,000 food into 25, so that's almost 12.5 million food, and here is almost a 9.5 million wood, so not bad. 2-hour training speed up into 24. I'll need those as my event is going on, so I'll be needing those. March recall and other stuff. So here, guys, you can see that by opening those packages I got 20 prestige badges. Now remember one thing, guys, no matter how much package you open, 200, 300, 1000, 2000, 3000, how much you open, you will get only 20 prestige badges per day. Only 20. Remember that. If you open 100 packages, you will get 20 badges. If you open 200 packages, you will get 20 badges. If you open 300 packages, you will get 20 badges. So guys, try to farm those packages, but do not open them all. Try opening 150 or 200 or 100 packages so that you get the 20 prestige badges, and try opening them every day. Try opening 100 or 150 every day so that you can get 20 badges every day. Do not open like 700 packages a day, because they will not give you more than 20 badges. So here you can see, guys, I had 642 badges. Now I have 662 badges, so that's 20 badges. So you know, guys, this is the way you can maximize your badge count. Other ways are there, like you can kill those monsters. Yeah, and remember, guys, one more thing, you will get maximum 20 badges a day, 20 to 25 badges a day. So if you are getting like don't go and kill like 60, 70 level 24, 25, 26 monsters together. Give break, kill 6 monsters, kill 6 level 24 monsters, then give and kill other small monsters, but let your stamina refill, then again kill those, like that. In that way you can get more badges per day. So try to maximize the badges. And you know that after this update, the store, in the store you can buy those prestige badges for gold. They show up sometimes 50 gold per badge. So I bought 20 badges yesterday. So there are many ways how you can maximize those badge counts. As you know, those prestige sorry, those prestige castles require many badges, so try to collect as many as badges possible. And one more thing guys, about I want to share something else. As you can see, the daily event is going on and the increased strength event is going on in our kingdom right now. Here you can see I am currently ranked 134 and I have received all the rewards. So here is a easy way to do it. I think you have heard of that, but still I'll say you. Before this event begins, remove all your equipments, everything, including your dragon glass and everything. After the event starts, just re-equip them. By only re-equipping these equipments, you can get enough points to get those 3 rewards. If you are aiming for stage ranking 1, then you have to spend some gold or you have to do something else. But for other things, like if you want only the 3 rewards, then re-equipping those is enough. And here you can see guys, I think this is a new event. Yeah, see, during this event kill the monsters to obtain double dragon grapheme stones. See, it will begin from 21 June to 28 June. Now this is a good thing. Yeah, just I saw just now. I'm loving this. Okay, so guys, that is basically the way how you can get more badges. Open those packages wisely. Do not waste the badges, because badges are very hard to come now nowadays. And here you can see guys, I got my level 26 stables. I am currently training strike archers. I'll be doing a video on speed training, speeding up those strike archers. I'll get as much as possible. Let the event come. I think it will be tomorrow, the train event. So, and I'm preparing for castle level 27 jump. Here I am doing the depot. In the meantime, I will be upgrading my all of the army buildings. Here I have upgraded the range. Now I'll be taking it another upgrade. So with one builder I'll be upgrading this military, this barracks and all, and with another builder I'll be upgrading the walls and the depot for castle level 26. That way you can fasten up your building speeds. And remember, your farms helps a lot. And this event that is going on, the Vagrant event, it gives a ton of resources for upgrades, so don't miss it. Upgrade as fast as you can guys. And remember the points about the badges. Try to get as much badges as possible. It will help you a lot after your castle level 30 if you are a new player, or if you are prestige 1, prestige 2. You guys already know how to gain badges, but still I am sharing. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please hit a like, comment and subscribe. I have a small YouTube channel. It's not as huge as the other YouTubers. Every like, every comment, every subscription matters guys. Thank you for watching and giving me time. Bye bye.